everyone, myself Rajpira Kaur and you are watching News Moment English channel. Welcome to this channel. Have a look on this breaking news. Mumbai in a huge fallout of Majestry. SUV case Parambir Singh has been removed as the Mumbai Police Commissioner days after the arrest of City Police Officer Sachin Wajay by the NIA over its probe into the recovery of explosive land car near Industries Mukesh Ambani's house. Hemant Nagrele has been appointed as a new police commissioner of Mumbai. Parambir Singh has been transferred and will now work as a DG Home Guard. The development come after a massive tug of war between the ruling Maha Vikash Aghi allies of Shiv Sena Nationalist Congress Party Congress in the past over 2 weeks after the SUV was found abandoned outside Antilia, the home of industrialist Mukesh Ambani. Open scholarship test from Motion. Get up to 50% marks in scholarship test for class 7 to 12th student. AAP demonstration at Jantar Mantar on 17th March. Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal were present along with other ministers and MLAs. Jantar Mantar on Wednesday against the central government step of introducing the National Capital Terrorist of Delhi adopted Bill 2021 in Parliament. The BJP ruled central government is one again trying to rob the elected government of Delhi of the power the BJP lost pours in assembly election in Delhi and in the recent concluded MCD by election too. They won 0 seat with introducing the National Capital Territory of Delhi Adopted Act 2021 in Parliament on Monday. The intention of the BJP is clear. One would do well to remember how even earlier under the leadership of Kejriwal, attempts were made to restrict the power of Delhi government through order issued by the MHA. Recruiting health insurance advisor, bright career opportunity. Tried to loot Toll Plaza by knowing firearms allegation against truck driver. A truck driver showed firearms at Toll Plaza, work at Toll Plaza under Maithan police station in Jharkhand on Monday morning and threatened the loot the Toll Plaza. According to the sources, a 10-wheeler arrived at 9:30 a.m. on Monday to collect the tools. He found the fast tag in the car at the time because it was broken. He will take the toll at that time. After paying the fine, the activities took out a firearm from the house and threatened Ravi Kumar Barnawal as well as looting Toll Plaza. After this incident, unrest spread in the area. The truck then left for West Bengal and fell. Toll Plaza manager Ranjit Singh logged a complaint with Maithan police station.
तो हम लोग का इंटर स्टेट जितने भी बॉर्डरिंग थाना है तो आपसी हम लोग का तालमेल रहता है, तो उन लोग को मैंने सूचना दिया है। अब कहाँ तक सूचना है सही उसका मैंने अपने स्तर से छानबीन कर रहे हैं और जो भी मामला सामने आएगा इसको। और
9:38 के आसपास एक ट्रक 10 चक्का हमारे प्लाजा पे आई, उसमें फास्टैग लगा हुआ था जो ब्लैक लिस्ट था। तो नियमानुसार उनसे दुगने राशि की मांग की गई। उन्हें पैसा दिया भी प्लाजा को और जाने के दौरान उसने अपने हाथ से एक गन पिस्टल लहराते हुए टीसी को धमकाया और उसी घटना यही है। हमने पुलिस की जानकारी में दिया है, उनको बताया कि हम पुलिस को खबर करते हैं। इतने दिन वो गाड़ी धनबाद से आसनसोल की तरफ भाग गई है।
কর্মসূচি। Order to maintain the thread of development in Jamhuriya, it is now necessary to have a Tribhuvan MLA in Jamhuriya. Only then will develop to be possible in Jamhuriya, making this development history. TMC candidate Hare Ram Singh from Jamhuriya campaigned on Wednesday in the Japa area of Jamhuriya. He himself reached by swinging the drum. Also did was playing the drum like this, taking about conveying the development work of the government to the people and also handing over their friendly all the Bengali players chanting of Nigeria. Hare Ram Singh said that the people are not giving much importance to Ashiko, the candidate of United Front. BJP candidate Vivekanand Bawadi from Raghunathpur Assembly constituency and the BJP candidate Kamal Kant Hadsa from Kasipur Assembly constituency staked a road show on Wednesday, shouting slogan for change in West Bengal under Adra Railway Town of Purulia district. Former Jharkhand Chief Minister Arjun Munda regretted reaching the end of the program for the road show. According to the information, the BJP candidate from Raghunathpur Kashipur Assembly Centre started the road their heads in the local temple. Arriving at the last minute of the road show, the apologized for coming late. He said that the people must be liberated from the hands of the corrupt and hooligan government of West Bengal.
वो इसको पेशा बनाया हुआ है। सेवा का कार्य करने के लिए यहाँ के लोग हमारे प्रतिनिधि जैसे जो प्रार्थी है उनके जैसे प्रतिनिधि चुने।
बीजेपी सरकार आएंगे तो किस तरह से परिवर्तन होगा ये पश्चिम बंगाल
पूरा
का?
पश्चिम बंगाल के जनगण खुश रहे।
किस किस आधार पर सर, किस किस आधार पर?
भारत माता की
लगन में गगन सो सुमन राशि वैश बजे मृदंग मधुर। बीजेपी 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 बीजेपी
চাল চোরি সরকার, হাওয়াই চটি সরকার, ওষুধ চুরি সরকার।
আপনি ফোন করতে একটা সাড়ে 12টা চলেছে।
12:30 নেই, 1 बजे।
जुलूस में कितने लोग थे? हाँ?
दो ग्राम पंचायत नोटिफिकेट एरिया का 15 अपना अंचल जो
Extension of Asansol Dhanbad Memo Passenger Special up to GOMOH Asansol 03543/03544 Asansol Dhanbad Memo Passenger Special will be extended up to GOMOH Station WEF 18/3/2021 03543 Asansol Gomo Memo Passenger Special will leave Asansol at 18:10 hours to arrive Gomos station at 20:15 hours and 03544 Gomo Asansol Memo Passenger Special will leave Gomo at 20:40 hours to arrive Asansol the 23 hours. Insaniyat Welfare Society is doing very well. Its member donated blood to a needy people person.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, नमस्ते, सत श्री अकाल। आज आसनसोल डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल आए हुए हैं। हमारे इंसानियत सोशल वेलफेयर सोसाइटी से जो जुड़े थे सबा अनीस भाई, जो इनके बच्ची को, क्या नाम था आपका बच्ची का? मेरे बहन, इनका बहन को शांता नाम है। बहुत ही ज़्यादा ब्लड का ज़रूरत था। ए पॉजिटिव। आप रहने वाले कहाँ के हैं? हम कोट मोड़ के रहने वाले हैं। ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा परेशान था ए पॉजिटिव ब्लड के लिए। इन्हें ब्लड काफ़ी परेशानी हुआ मिलने में। हमसे रास्ता कायम किया ब्लड को सिलसिले में लेकर के कि भैया हमें ब्लड का बहुत ही ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है। ये हमारे इंसानियत सोशल वेलफेयर सोसाइटी के नौजवान हैं जो हम लोगों से जुड़े हैं, लोगों का खिदमत करना चाहते हैं। इसी सिलसिले में आज हमारे शबा अनीस भाई इनके बहन को ए पॉजिटिव ब्लड दे करके इनका हेल्प किया है। और इसके आगे भी हम लोग चाहते हैं कि जो ज़रूरतमंद होगा ब्लड का सिलसिले में हम लोग हमेशा इसी तरह से सर्विस देते रहेंगे। हम लोग इससे पहले भी कहीं को हर तरह का ए पॉजिटिव, बी पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव कलकत्ता भी जाके ब्लड दिए हैं और आने वाला दिन में भी हम लोग इसी तरह से ब्लड देते रहेंगे। हमारे सोशल मीडिया से ये गुजारिश है और आप लोगों से ये रिक्वेस्ट है कि इस वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें, लाइक करें, कमेंट करें। इस आवाज़ को बहुत दूर तक का पहुंचना चाहिए। हम लोगों को जो तंजीम चलता है इंसानियत सोशल वेलफेयर सोसाइटी, ये रेल पार आसनसोल में है। रेल पार के कुछ लोग इस तरह का लोगों को आवाम के बीच आके खिदमत कर रहे हैं, ये आप लोगों को जानकारी होना चाहिए। इसी सिलसिले में हम ये वीडियो बना रहे हैं कि बहुत ही ज़्यादा हम लोगों ने मेहनत की है। बहुत ही ज़्यादा हम लोगों के जो ग्रुप है हर जगह जा करके लोगों का खिदमत करके ब्लड दे रहे हैं, लोगों का हर तरह का मदद कर रहे हैं। ये मैसेज हम लोग चाहते हैं कि बहुत दूर तक का पहुँचे। आप इनसे भी कुछ रास्ता कायम कर लें, इनसे भी कुछ पूछ लिया। बता दिए अपना नाम।
नाम मेरा अजय प्रसाद है।
आप थोड़ा करीब आ जाइए, करीब आ जाइए।
अच्छा, हम कोट मोड़ के रहने वाले हैं। मेरे सिस्टर को ये दे दिए, बहुत परेशान थे हम। बस यही मेरे गुरुजी से जो धन्यवाद कह रहे हैं।
आपका नाम क्या है बताइए तो?
अजय।
अजहर नाम है। कहाँ के रहने वाले?
अजय। अजय
अजय रहने वाले। आप कहाँ के हैं?
वैसे तो यूपी के रहने वाले, उत्तर प्रदेश के।
Test in CBI in coal smuggling case, CBI noticing Amit Agrawal, a trader of a steel plant close to Lala. After a search, he has been asked to appear at the CBI office at Nizam Place next Monday. The CBI searched Amit's home and office and seized hard disk of 5 computers. Several laptops have been seized. The CBI hopes to find someone important information on that hard disk and laptop. A meeting was held by Trinamool Congress in Kalipahari, located in Ward number 38 of Asansol Municipal Corporation. It was decided in the meeting that the common people will be made aware of the lines being separated by the BJP. Trinamool leader decided that the polls of each and every BJP leader would be opened. It will be told how people like BJP State Trinamool Secretary V. Sivadasan, Dasu Chairperson Amarnath Chatterjee, TMC leader Badal Mishra, Amit Rudra, Young TMC District Secretary Pramod Singh, Manoj Hazra, former councillor Sukul Himbaram, etc. were present. On Wednesday, while going to deposit money in bank in Barakar under Kulti police station, fearless criminal snatched a bag full of rupees from the hand of Amit Sharma and staff of businessman Sandeep Agarwal in the broad daylight and felt the bag contained rupees 6 lakh. After the incident, staff Amit Sharma made a lot of noise, but no one paid attention to his words, and taking advantage of this, the culprit escaped comfortably. After the incident, the staff informed the owner Sandeep Agarwal. Asansol Chamber of Commerce has written a letter to the CMD of the State Power Department and proposed to install prepaid meters. Chamber Secretary Shambhunath Jha has sent a letter to West Bengal Electricity Distribution Corporation Limited (CMD). Chamber Secretary Shambhunath Jha said that every day people face various problems with electricity bills, especially the problem of high electricity bills has become a common problem. Therefore, it has been requested that whichever government comes this time install prepaid electric meters so that people can get relief from the problem of bills forever. TMC Manifesto 2021 Trinamool Supremo Mamata Banerjee unveiled the 2021 Assembly Election Manifesto from her Kalighat home on Wednesday. Trinamool published the manifesto in Bengali, Hindi, English, Alchiki, and Nepali. It was to be published on Sunday, but it was delayed due to the accident of Mamata Banerjee. Many more people will be bought in the OBC list. Farmers will be get 10,000 rupees annually. If he has 1 kata of land, he will help the farmer with 10,000 rupees a year who the person have 1 kattha of land. Two street rallies were held in front of Pochara and Barabani Cinema Hall ahead of the Barabani Assembly elections. Sadhan Raut, Sujit Mandal, Ashok Jain, Sujata Mandal, Rupesh Das, Tarak Mandal, and others BJP leaders were present. Road rally organized by every organization of the left front demanding withdrawal and anti-people policy and agriculture bill of the central government. A protest rally was held in front of the party office of the youth organization of Rupnarayanpur, Bihar Road on the initiative of every organization of the left front in Salanpur block against the exploitation and anti-people policy, immediate withdrawal of agriculture bill and privatization of state-owned Here I am presenting SMS from News Movement. Let us hear SMS from News Movement. Wherever you find me wrong, bad or rude at any point of time, at least tell me once before telling the whole world.